JAE is proud to announce the release of our latest new products. JAE has developed a new circular connector JB10 series with an all-plastic shell and one-touch locking feature. The JB10 series correspond to shielding structure with an integrated press member. The connector utilizes a plastic shell, allowing a low-cost solution. The connector will be offered as a 26-position solution, with IP67 rated dust and waterproof in the matted condition. The connector is ideal for a wide range of multi-core signal applications, such as for factory automation equipment and information, data communication devices. The jam nut type receptacle allows for easy chassis mounting, while an O-ring ensures a secure waterproof feature between chassis and receptacle. The receptacle is currently offered as a front mount, and as ongoing development a rear mount will be offered to cater to different customer requirements. The connector comes with a straight plug with a simple tool-less termination structure where the shield wires can be terminated easily, yet a secure harness assembly. The cable clamp structure, with a 2-point screw lock, secures high cable retention strength. The connector is ideal for a wide range of multi-core signal applications, such as for factory automation equipment and information, data communication devices. Please visit the JAE website for more information on these products.